Looking to upgrade your kitchen with something that's both practical and a little bit aware? This electric salt and pepper grinder set is one of those small upgrades that makes cooking faster, easier, and honestly more enjoyable. Right away, the biggest advantage is one-handed automatic operation. Just press a button, or tilt, depending on the model, and it grinds instantly, perfect when you're cooking and your other hand is busy. Many electric grinders are designed exactly for this convenience, especially for faster meal prep. The adjustable coarseness is another key feature. Whether you want fine salt or coarse pepper, you can easily switch settings with a simple twist, giving you better control over flavor and texture in your dishes. Rechargeable design is a big win here. Instead of constantly replacing batteries, you just charge it via USB, and a single charge can last for weeks of regular use, making it both cost-effective and eco-friendly. The LED light feature adds more than just style. It helps you see exactly how much seasoning you're adding, which is surprisingly useful when cooking in low light or trying not to over-season. Capacity is also improved compared to older models. A larger hopper means fewer refills, which is great if you cook frequently or for larger meals. Real-world feedback often highlights convenience. Easy to use with one hand. Looks sleek on the counter. Now, the honest part. Cheaper models can sometimes have weaker motors or inconsistent grinding over time, so build quality matters. Rechargeable versions with ceramic grinders tend to be more reliable. Overall, this is a simple but powerful kitchen upgrade, combining convenience, precision, and modern design into something you use every single day. Click the link below for the best price.